minutes on
She wants to film again. You ain't getting 20 minutes on this one. It ain't gonna last that long.
Oh.
Okay?
Okay. I don't know where you're... Okay, never mind. I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Welcome to the world of clothing. People here, Shady Valley. This is Shady Valley. If I would welcome you. Yeah, there's motorcycle driving, as you can see.
Ready?
Yeah. Motorcycle out there, if you can see that. It's not real, it's kind of fake. Shady Dollar General Store. And they have famous Shady Dollar places. Alright, I will now welcome you in a place. We go in, and after the bridge, I will tell you about it. But yes, there will be water, there will be boats and stuff on the video. Don't care what you think, you can enjoy this video. And yes, I am 8 years old, I'm the same person, my name's Alexis. I've done 3 videos so far. As you can see, this is my dad leaning back. I can't see it because I'm not supposed to. So anyways, this is my dad leaning back. There's a church. And there's the road and stuff. Oh, there's lots of plowing there. Plowing over here, there's water. You can see there's a house and trees, and here's the thing. We gotta go lean. Gotta go lean. Oh, here. Lean. Then we lean this side, and it's easy because you're not facing any cars. Yeah, you can lean this way. But you gotta lean carefully over here because there might be cars passing by. This way, you don't have to be careful. This way again, and over that way. It's like just talking about stuff. Alright, I'm now going to talk about my surgery. I guess on one camera, on this camera one day, after my dad charges it, he might ask me about my surgery questions. I hope you like the surgery video whenever my dad does it. And his name is Jason Rochelle. And my mom's name is Tabitha Rochelle. If I will tell you about this. Alright. Now, my surgery is July 13th. I have cerebral palsy, and I'm going to get my legs fixed. There's a problem with the leg. The softball is not, or the hip is not touching the softball. So they're going to fix it. They're going to have a cast, and they're gonna put me in a wheelchair, and they got everything ready for the surgery, after the surgery. I can't believe that they got everything ready just in time before the surgery. Well, anyways, I'm so excited that I'm going to be like everybody else, that I cannot wait to be like everyone else. And besides, you can't see me on these videos because I will not be on these videos. I am on the motorcycle, as you can see. I just wanted to talk about different stuff with you, and all of you will appreciately watch every video if you wish that you want to. And please be careful before you hurt yourself. Just so you don't hurt yourself, just put your hands out. Like you're telling someone to stop. Just put your hands out so you don't fall down. And I hope you enjoyed this video. This is one video you should be watching. It's about the mountains and all kinds of different stuff. If you look down, it looks scary when you look down. Because it's in the mountains. Ooh, it's so scary. See, that's scary, isn't it? Scary that you might fall. So be careful when you're riding a motorcycle. That's why I'm always safe. Holding on to my dad, trying to be safe. See that? If you let go of your, anyways, one tip is, please hold on when you're riding the motorcycle. And be safe for everyone. And also be safe for Jesus and God. Because they want you to be safe and careful and all kinds of things. Jesus does not want you to die when you're a child. That'd be so sad. But anyways, I would love you to welcome someone. But I don't have someone here, so I'll just welcome you to World of Flooring. To my world of exploring, and my country is Bristol, Tennessee. Please, if you will watch this, I will appreciate that. And have fun with this video. I don't know how long I can do video. So I'm gonna see if it turns off or something, then I can't finish my video. But maybe one time I will be able to. So as you see, my dad... Huh? I don't... What?
You got the camera, that guy wrecked. When we go back, look in the tree. You can see his bike off in the tree.
Who was it? I can't hear you. Okay, just park over there and tell me, because I can't hear you. Well. Ow. Dad? I gotta go. Bye.
Yeah, I know how to I know when I ain't got my foot ready, I don't push it. Don't push for this side.
Oh, and remember, my name's Alexis.
Alright, main thing, he's always pushing out. Yeah. He's just talking. That's some bad message. Those are pretty rare. Yeah.